Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys cash stuffing and budgeting. This is a concept widely used in the abroad but not so much here in India. So I thought of introducing you guys to this amazing concept that'll help you to save money and budget very properly. So let's get started. So basically this is a layout that I've made that you can do every single month, and I've made a placard where I have basically broken down my budget on different things. So it's completely an exemplar. It's not like the exact thing that I would do. I'm just sharing it with you guys as an example. So payout is basically your salary. So for example, over here I've taken 15,000 rupees as my salary, out of which first category is in bank. How much money you'll need in bank every month. So I've written 5,000 because 2,000 will go in my mutual fund, 1,000 for the bills like mobile bills, and my bank has to be maintained. Like my bank account needs at least 2,000 rupees every single month to be functional. So 2,000 rupees will go there. Now all of these things can differ according to your needs. If you have to pay rent, then of course you'll have to maintain that much of money in your bank, and however you manage your finances. Now next comes cash, the actual cash that we'll be stuffing today. I have withdrawn 10,000 rupees. It will differ according to your house, and these are my breakdown categories like shopping, petrol, food. For you it can be groceries. If you have a child, it can be his name, because of course he'll also need some of the other things. So one by one we'll be doing that. And last is sinking fund category. So sinking funds is something which you are saving up for, like there is emergency fund, vacation, medical bills, birthdays, and hustle is something that you are saving highly up for. So I'm hustling here to save up for an iPhone, so that is my hustle category. All of these categories can change according to you. It's just a rough idea on how you can do it, and you don't always have to earn money for this. If you are also having pocket money, you can side by side break down your pocket money and cash stuff accordingly. So for cash stuffing, of course, you need envelopes. I've actually made a lot of envelopes that I'm selling. These are laminated envelopes which will go directly into your wallet, like a broad wallet, whichever like we girls use. And inside this you can store in the money for whichever category you want to. As you can see over here, I have labels where you can write whatever category it is. So in this you'll be getting total of 5 of these laminated envelopes which will go into your wallet, and then you will be getting 7 of the normal regular envelopes for your sinking funds, like these are the laminated envelopes which you'll be getting. All of this will come for only 399 rupees, that is 400 rupees. So in case if you're interested in buying it, you can check the description box for the mail ID and you can approach me. Now let's start with our sinking funds and cash stuffing. Also you can make your own envelopes if you have that much of time. It's completely up to you. So let's start. First I'm going to start off with the envelopes that I'm going to be putting into my wallet. So the first category over here that I have is shopping, and for shopping I've written down 1,000 rupees. So I'll be picking out 2 500 notes and putting it in the shopping envelope. Now this way I'll know that if I'm going out for shopping, I only have a budget of 1,000, and whenever I have shopped something, I'll be paying it from this envelope and nothing else. So that way I know a limit also, and I know that I cannot pick up from any other envelope. Next is petrol. Petrol prices have really risen up. These days I'm not driving a lot or even riding my bike as well. So I'm just going to stuff in 500 rupees in case if I need to fill up the petrol in my car or bike. Otherwise I usually need more money, but as of now 500 rupees is enough. All of these things will differ according to your need. Next is food or eat out category. So basically it's something if I'm ordering something from outside, or if I went out for a coffee, so whatever I'm eating something outside, that money will go from this envelope. And if you are someone who buys a lot of vegetables, you can have an envelope for vegetables. Completely it's according to your personalization. This is my category, so I'm stuffing 1,000 rupees in the food or eat out category. Next is miscellaneous. So miscellaneous is any random thing, like let's say if I want to get something, or my mom asks me to get some vegetables or anything. So miscellaneous I'm stuffing 1,000, and for the stuffing I'm using one 500 rupees note and some change like 200 rupees and 100 rupees. So I'm going to be putting this into my miscellaneous category. So miscellaneous also includes something like let's say if I'm gone out and I wanted to get something for my dog, so I can use the money from miscellaneous as well. Sometimes you have paid a little extra for some or the other, your iron clothes or anything. Last category in my wallet is going to be giving. So every month I give a certain amount of money to dogs. I feed dogs. Sometimes I'll give some to people who are in need. So for giving, I am putting in 500 rupees, and I'm putting in so basically I'm putting in like these notes, like 200 and 100, not a 500 rupee note, because sometimes if I get dog food, obviously I wouldn't give 500, like I'll hardly get it for like 100 rupees. So here by mistake I added a 200 rupees note extra. So I'm just simply stuffing 500 in the giving category. Again, you don't always have to have a given category. It's up to you. You can have, like, let's say if you have pets, so you can have a envelope for your pet if you buy them monthly. Now all of my laminated envelopes are cash stuffed, and I'll just show you all together how they look. They are very easy, convenient also, and they fit in very easily into my wallet. So I'm going to take my wallet and share it with you guys how easily they fit in. So these all are the envelopes. Now 2000 rupees note is actually very big, so I always fold a 2000 rupees note in this envelope, and actually it's better also because it's quite a lot of amount. So 2000 rupees notes, if I'm using it, I'll fold it, and you can see how easily it fits into my wallet. You just need a normal regular long wallet like this, and it will simply glide into the wallet, and it's laminated, so it won't even catch a lot of dust. Now I actually have a lot of cards and all in my wallet like this, so I'm having a little time over here to put into them. But yeah, so this is my monthly cash envelope done for the month of July or August, whatever you want to consider. Now comes sinking funds. So I have different categories for sinking funds. This is my emergency fund category. Now emergency fund is basically something that you need for any emergency. Let's say you lost your job, or this time your salary is very less, you got a cut off or something. So in emergency fund, I'm putting in 2000. I always give a priority to emergency fund because it's technically a saving. And I already had some money that I had stuffed in the previous month. So you can see I'm adding more money into my emergency fund category. So this was my first envelope. Next is medical. So I recently got vaccinated and I paid for the vaccination. So I don't have any money over here, but I again have to start saving up for my second dose of vaccine. So I am going to be adding only 500 rupees this time in my medical. If you are a family, then you will definitely have to add at least 3 to 4,000 every month in your medicals, because let's say somebody gets hurt or you need any medicine or something. So always have a separate envelope for your medical category, and then every time if you're getting medicines or something, you will use that. If you have a lot of elder people in your house, again you will need this medical category. Next is vacations. As you guys know, I'm going on a vacation. I've already saved up quite a lot of money for my vacation, but at this time again I'm still adding 1000 rupees more in my vacation sinking fund. And again, so what basically I do, once my fund is filled up with money, I'll transfer it into my bank account. Like I'll go and deposit the cash in my bank account, and the cycle continues. Then I'm saving for Diwali. Again, I have some money. I'm just going to put in 500 more because of course Diwali is our very special festival and we like to buy new clothes and everything for everybody in our family. So I'm saving up for Diwali as well. You can save up for Christmas or Eid according to your festival. Next is for my birthday. I'm saving for my birthday, which will come next year because my birthday is already done. So now I have one whole year. So this time I'm not going to be stuffing any money in my birthday category because I have a lot of time, so I can save up later on. So I'm going to leave my birthday empty this time. Next is gifts and birthdays for other people. So my parents' anniversary is coming in August, 3rd of August. So I've already saved up some money, but I'm adding some more money, 1000 rupees, so that I can give them something very good. In my family, everyone's birthday except me is in the month of March, and I am born in the month of June. After that, we don't really have any birthdays. So there is my parents' anniversary in August. So I have stuffed cash for their anniversary gift, and this is my hustle envelope. Basically, whatever I'm hustling for in the current month. And as you guys know, I'm hustling to get an iPhone. So I've saved up quite a lot of money. This time I'm going to be adding 1000 rupees. So I'm going to be saving up for that. I haven't actually labeled this envelope. I need to label it as hustle. So I have a 500 rupees note left and 200 and 300 rupees notes. So yeah, my entire cash stuffing is completed. So basically this is how it works. You break down your salary on what are your needs, what is the things that you have to pay. It can be your light bills, your rents, your helper, house help, maid bills and all of that, and then the other expenditures that you have. So this is what an ideal cash stuffing looks like. I hope you guys liked it and find it helpful. And in case you start doing these cash stuffing, please tag me on Instagram with your photos. I would love to see them. And if you're interested in buying these envelopes, you can mail me in the description box below. I'll put on all the information and you can get yourself as well these envelopes. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.